Hey there, it's Mike from TRIDOS.DESIGN, and in this video I wanted to quickly go over each of the parts that's included in the TDC 2.0 so you get a feel for it and you're not getting lost in the tutorials. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that if you run into any issues, please scroll down to the bottom of the page. There's a troubleshooting section. Please check if that issue you're having is possibly one of those. In that case, just watch the video. I explain in more detail how to solve the issue and so on. But if that didn't help, please reach out to us on TRIDOS Airsoft on Facebook. We're super active. We always respond to each and every message. So just reach out to us and we'll help you out. So let's get started. So inside the package, first of all, you get the drill jig. This is the part you're going to be using to drill the hole in the outer barrel. This is a little helper tool so you can get the hole always in the right place. If you order the Pro version, it's going to come with the TDC 2.0 Pro upgrade. This is the only thing that's different from the basic and the Pro version. One comes with this and one doesn't. Included, there's the actual Pro housing with the clicky plunger installed. So the spring plunger and the screw is already pre-installed. And you also get a spare tape in case you screw up the installation or you just want to transfer it later on to a different barrel setup. Then we have the actual TDC kit with all the parts itself. And lastly, we also have the drill bit that's needed to drill the hole. So this is a 3.5mm drill bit that comes with the drill jig that's used to drill the hole. So let's put these things aside and I quickly want to go over each of the parts that are included in the kit itself. So this is the pile of parts that you're gonna get in this kit. And I'll quickly go over each of those and let you know what's the purpose of each part. So let's get the big guns straight away. This is the thumb screw. This is what you're going to be using to adjust the hop. As you can see, the knurled edges are super grippy, and those are the ones that also create the clicky sound in combination with the Pro hop-up unit. Next up, we have the TDC insert. So this is the part that goes into the hop-up chamber and has a hole for the nubs. So it acts as a guide for the nubs. And it works in conjunction with the M3 nut that slides into the slot like so. Then we also have this small piece of transparent plastic. This one's used to raise the insert in case you're running the older version of the action armor chamber. I'm going to explain this in more detail later in the video, so don't worry about this too much. Then we also have the nubs. So in this kit, we include 3 regular nubs, similar to other TDC 2.0s we make for other versions. And now we also include the universal nub that can be used together with different off-the-shelf nubs, similar to Maple Leaf Omega or Panthera nubs or others. Then we also have this screw right here with the flat Phillips head. This is used to fix the plastic insert inside the place once it's in the chamber. There's 2 rubber O-rings. So these are mainly used for creating resistance for the thumb screw on the basic version of the kit. So if you didn't order the Pro version, you'll probably be using these. These can also be used to help with water sealing the Pro housing. So again, I'll go over more in detail later on in the videos. And lastly, we also have the grub screw, which can be used to install this TDC without a thumb screw. So it would be a fully invisible TDC, and you would have to require a 1.5mm Allen key to adjust the hop. So that's it. Let's just move on to the installation and I'll show you around.